Ever hit a wall during intense cardio, where your lungs work but your cells feel completely smothered? That's cellular breathlessness. Let's uncover exactly why our internal batteries drain so incredibly fast.
Meet your mitochondria. These little guys are your cellular energy stations, basically the tiny batteries powering you.
But watch out, because oxidative stress damages their membranes. It's literally like battery acid leaking everywhere. Enter polyprenols. Sourced from conifer needles, these natural mechanics step right in to repair those cracked casings. And research shows these specific plant compounds do an amazing job at strengthening our whole immune system too.
Once consumed, your liver magically converts them into dolichols, which directly patch up your damaged cell membranes.
Products like T8 Extra 90% pack these powerful polyprenols to jumpstart your natural cellular energy production.
Add in the T8 blend with 6 wild tiger berries and you've got yourself some massive antioxidant protection.
But what about oxygen? During extreme stress, your mitochondria desperately need an oxygen anchor to stabilize energy.
TA Beet Shot uses Beet-Betanin to activate nitric oxide. This boosts blood flow, feeding those oxygen-starved mitochondria.
So how do we handle completely dead batteries? Through mitophagy, our body's brilliant cellular sanitation process.
The urolithin A in T8 NIT up specifically triggers this cleanup, tossing out the junk mitochondria for good.
And hey, these batteries don't work alone. They're deeply connected to your gut, forming the gut-mitochondria axis.
Fragile probiotics often just die during digestion. Metabiotics, though, they're highly stable and reach your colon completely unchanged.
Because they deliver active compounds, not live bacteria, metabiotics go to work immediately to foster your own microflora.
T8 Mobio Plus uses these exact metafiltrates to stimulate the enzymes your mitochondria desperately need to generate energy.
Together, this entire lineup forms a complete, synergistic ecosystem to literally biohack your health from the inside out.
So ask yourself, are you just fueling up or are you fundamentally repairing your cellular batteries? Think about it.